In activity 4.05, I'll demonstrate splitting a table into two tables. And for this, I'm going to copy the employees table and split that into office information about an employee and personal information in a separate table about the employee. So having copied the employees database, I'm going to paste structure and data. I'm going to call it 4A employees office, and I'm going to paste again and call it 4A employees personal. And I'm going to delete redundant data from the tables. So starting with office, we have an employee ID, we have the title, first name, middle name, last name. Street is the street where they live. City, state, zip, and home phone. I'm going to delete these from the employee's office table by highlighting them and pressing the delete key and accepting. Now we have the employee's ID, the employee's title and name, the date hired, office phone, position, and office email. I'm going to close this table for the moment. Now I'm going to go to personal and open it up. And since title, first name, middle, last name exist in the employee's office table, I'm going to delete those and merely link on the employee ID. So this time I'll go to fields and I'll say delete, just to show you a different way to do it. And then I am going to also select the four fields at the end: date hired, office phone, position, and office email, because those exist in employee's office, so we don't want the redundant data. So go ahead and delete those as well. Now, the employee's personal just has the employee ID plus the personal information. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to open up employee's office. I'm going to highlight position. I'm going to click on fields and go to the add delete, and I'm going to click on number, and it actually added a number field. I'm going to name it department ID, and that's because I want to link the department ID back to the department's revised table. Alright, so let's see. Employee's office, how do I know? See, Samuel Barrero is fire chief, so we know that's the fire administration, which happens to be department ID number 9. You can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and type a 9 in here. And then we have Fernando, Parsons, and Luritzen. Let's see here. Now I don't remember which one of these people belongs to the fire department. So I'm going to open up the fire department employees and see the two names are Barrero and Priscilla Parsons. So now I know Priscilla Parsons is the person that needs to go in the Department of Fire Administration, so I'll put a 9 there. Now the other two were city council members, I believe, so Marla and Jackson, that's their first names, Fernando and Luritzen, those are the city council members. So we want to update with number 6 because that's the city council department. So I go to employees office and I put a 6 next to Fernando and a 6 next to Luritzen, and that gets them associated with the correct departments. And with that, we complete this activity. I'll go ahead and close the objects and we'll move on to the next.